Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And today I'm going to share with you this. Now it's one that I get from London, so it took quite a while to get here, and it went to the house up in Washington first. So the house sitter had to forward it to me. So it finally got here. Well, this is from 11:10. The forwarding happened. So she told me about it almost right away. The house sitter. So I don't know. Oh, it's the London Pop Box. I found this from watching Courtney on her channel. Shanice Reviews. And London is one of our favorite places to go to. We're going there in July. So I had to try a few. Here's the box. This is London Pop Box. Okay, it's for October. This is from October 2020. No, I know it didn't take a year because I just sent it. So this is our October box. It's got a really pretty, little booklet. I mean, look at this booklet. It's full inside. I'm gonna have to read this on my own with a guide to October events in London, and the back there. So I'll read that on my own. I don't think you want me to read it for you. Ooh, cute stuff. Let's see. Maybe I'll put it here in front of me on the little nightstand. Look at this. Isn't that cute? It's got all the little, the guards, the phone booths, the taxi cabs, all kinds of them. Is it BPA free? Please look after me as I'm made from plants. Oh, hand wash in warm, soapy water, and don't leave in very hot places. Okay. It's a Millie Green Planet Happy Designed London Eco Adventures cornstarch drinks bottle. I must call her BPA free cornstarch. Okay. Whatever that means. What the cornstarch means. Anything in here? 1% of the proceeds support the great work of the Marine Conservative Society, protecting their seas. The bottle is made from renewable plants, which are a byproduct of the corn industry, and is 100% biodegradable. That must be what the cornstarch comes in. The lid and straw are recyclable. Produces less greenhouse gas emissions, reducing a plastic waste. Very good at, if the bottle tips over, if there's a leak or not. But I'm going to try. That'd be good to take on our trip. What is this? Maybe it's an eraser. Oh, I guess it's a pencil. I'm just using. I guess you have to sharpen it, which I don't have a sharpener here. So, but isn't that cute? I should look on that card and see if they've got anything on those. The pouch. Okay, the water bottle would normally cost 10 euros. And the Queen's Guard pencil and rubber, as they call it. I know what we referred to rubbers as when I was growing up. $2.50 euros. This is cute. This is cute. Look at that cute little pouch. What's in it? It says use me daily. Oh, it says fold away shopping bag. Well, that's nice. I mean, you can have that folded away, and then if you pick up any souvenirs, good size. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's going on a trip with me, and that is, they call it the Eco London Pouch. Oh no, something else. The Sketch London fold-away bag, $9. This is Big Ben, the Shard, Tower Bridge. They're all present and accounted for on the shell of this tote. I can't read. From Sketch London, celebrating the various landmarks of England's capital in the print. Its spacious interior includes a small zip purse, and you can either carry by the durable handles or sling them, sling them over your shoulder. And like I said, the bag is €9, not dollars, €9. Probably the right way to say it. Oh, there's a blueberry muffin, gluten, wheat, dairy free. It must be something like that. You know, like a little granola bar. This is so cute. Look at this. Look at this. Sorry, Carly's girls, you're not getting this one. Most of my bags I give to them. When it's even, you know, opens up. So it's a good size. You could really fit some good things in it. So that must be the pouch. And that is €10. A versatile patch by Millie Green Designs that can be used for a range of purposes such as cosmetics or stationery. Keep makeup neatly stowed away in a stylish and eco-friendly bag with zip top fastening. From buying this pouch, 1% of the proceeds will support the great work of the Woodland Trust in protecting our forests. So everything in here, it looks like they kind of protect. There's Buckingham Palace. What'd you think? I'm happy. And I'll put the cost of it. It's in the 20s. You know, it's in euros. Oh, it's 85 in here. I forgot to put the Arab on. So, like I say, I'm a happy camper. Comment below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I love you all. Bye.